As a color analyst, I'm going to walk you through how to assess yourself. First of all, turn off your overhead light. It's going to cast a yellow light on your skin, which could give you an inaccurate result. Next, get in front of a bright light window, not direct sunlight, indirect, so that we can see the coloring of your skin. Okay, let's do it. This is the first filter I want you to use. This is going to help you see if you have warm or cool tones on your skin. Look at which one brings out redness in areas you don't want it, which one makes your eyes look brighter, and especially the whites of your eyes. So I don't know if you can tell here, but I am definitely a cooler color temperature in my skin. Next, we're going to do a light neutral. As you can see, the spring, which is the top left, and the autumn, which is the bottom left, are warmer toned, and they're going to make me look a little reddier in complexion. The top right is going to be a summer, which is a cooler tone, and the bottom right a winter, both of which suit my skin. Now it's time for the darker neutral. As you can see, we're still looking at the summer and the winter for me, especially because they brighten my eyes and don't make my skin look yellow. Next, we'll do the blues. This also applies to navies that you can wear in your jeans. As you can see, the cooler color temperatures are looking stronger on me, but we have to decide between summer and winter. For the most part, few people are going to really pull off yellow. I'm not someone who can pull it off very well, and least of all orange. But remember, in the summer palette, very few actually pull off yellow. Red is usually a dead giveaway for your season, so be sure to record and watch yourself back to see which one makes you really shine. Can you tell yet? Do you have a vote? What season I am? This one makes it pretty darn clear. With the pink, keep looking at those eyes because this is going to be a huge indicator of what season you are. Can you tell yet? This, I'm going to say, is not an accurate filter. There's too much gray added to the spring and too much brightness added to the summer, so don't use this one as an indicator. Okay, we are in the final selection. You can see I'm not a spring, definitely not light and bright. I am not an autumn. I am not deep and warm. So that brings us down to the summers and the winters. The summer is a little too soft muted for me and my eyes. So that means I'm a winter. And if you're still in doubt, find a color analyst in your area. You can find them all over, or you can come hang out with me. I'd love to book a session with you.